You really may not get to hear this anywhere, but this can save your life because this is a lawyer telling you about this. So, a lawyer I know asked his clients to get money because he has to file an absent petition. Absent petition is like a leave letter in a legal language, which is filed to permit you from not attending the court on a particular day. But the twist here is that the case of these parties is a civil case. In a civil case, parties do not have to attend the court on a maximum level. Except for evidence, there also you need not file an absent petition. There is no provision like that in the Civil Procedure Code or anywhere in law. It is in the criminal case that the accused has to attend the court again and again and has to file an absent petition there, not here. It is that basic. It is in these basic things that these kind of frauds are happening. And some frauds, I tell you, they are happening as if it is a common practice. And that is why I am telling you, whenever you're choosing an advocate, please choose them very carefully. Most probably choose an honest advocate. I know that is difficult. So a tip that I can give you as an advocate is that make sure that whichever lawyer you're choosing, they're basically educating you about your case properly. And this can be a green flag to go ahead with that lawyer. So be very, very careful while you're choosing. This is an AI era. You can verify so many things. Just don't believe everything blindly.